Hey, this is Sudharshan again with Revised Spine and Sport Physiotherapy and Chiropractic Clinic. We are here to talk about an important group of muscles and that stay between the shoulder blades. A lot of times with our prolonged sitting during our daily activities, these muscle groups tend to get a little bit weaker. So we're going to talk about a simple group of exercises that you can do with a theraband. We're going to use our model to demonstrate these exercises, and he is going to show three different patterns. One is a plus pattern, another one is a cross pattern, and then the final one, which is the more difficult one as you get better to do, is a concentric circle pattern starting from the larger, ending in the smaller, and then following a reverse path all the way around. Let's get Girish to demonstrate these patterns for us here. When you're going to do this exercise, you got to make sure your fingers stay as light as possible on the wall with the band pulled apart, with your focus being pulling your shoulder blades together so that you can engage these muscle groups. Let's get Girish to demonstrate these exercises for you here. And then doing them slowly makes it even harder. Pulling your arms apart makes it harder as well. And let's go on to the X pattern here. And then the concentric circles as well. Thanks for watching the video.